Welcome to the North Plains Groundwater Conservation District web map. The Texas Water Development Board publishes 3 different databases, including wells and documents for those wells that are publicly available, and you can access all of this information through the North Plains Groundwater Conservation District web map. When you land on this map, in order to access these layers, open up the More Data legend in the map and turn on any of these Texas Water Development Board wells database layers. There's one for the driller's reports, there's one for groundwater wells that includes water quality data, and then one for plugging reports. Note that if at any time you want to have more screen real estate for your map, you can hide the left sidebar by clicking this little arrow tab near the top. Click on any one of these state database well points, and there will be links in the pop-up, which will allow you to access the linked documents as PDFs. In this case, for this database, there's a well report, and there's a second link to scanned documents. If you click this link, the PDF should open up in another tab, or depending on your settings, it may prompt you to download the file instead. The different databases include links to different kinds of documents. The Driller's Report database includes a link to the Driller's Report, and the Plugging Reports database includes a link to the Plugging Report and in some cases also the Drilling Report. What if you want to find the public documents associated with your well? Please see a separate video for tips on how to find your well. Once you have found your well, however, you can generally zoom into it and find the public database point very near your own. In this case, I've zoomed into well HA 2021, and right next to it is the drilling report record, which I can click and open up, and I'll be able to confirm that this is indeed the drilling report for my well. For further assistance, please use the NPGCD website button at the top of the map, which will take you to the North Plains Groundwater Conservation District website.